Hi friends, in this video I am going to demonstrate one of our home beauty remedy using a used coffee beans. Starting from a chin going upward in a circular motion to massage your face. So this is basically a facial that can be done at home. The benefits of these coffee grounds is for antioxidant and can also exfoliate your dead skins. If you want to know more about the ingredients of this coffee grounds beauty remedy, I will write it down in the description box below. And as you all know guys, we have a coffee cart business which is located at Insular Square, Basak, Mandaue, and each day we keep throwing all used coffee ground, and for me, I find it a waste, so we decided to reuse it for a beauty purposes. Don't forget to include your neck, and the stroke should be upward. This kind of style helps you to uplift your skin. I actually included the lips, but it wasn't shown in this video. Just continue massage your face for about 2 to 3 minutes and leave the coffee grounds on your face for 5 minutes. After getting it done, you can wash your face using a clean water and you will feel smooth skin like a baby. I can assure you that. So that's it for today guys. I will see you next time on my beauty video and I hope you enjoy and get some new tips for beauty. Bye!